on, y'all? It is Chris with pennies1000s.com doing a video on this Influence app. You see here, I have 6 questions. Each is worth $1. So that means by the time I get done answering all 6, I have $6 in my account. I'm going to show you how it's done. Very simple. You're going to get paid to leave video responses on the questions they ask you. Very simple to do. All you do is click on it. It'll take you right into the first question. You just want to make sure you see all of what the question is asking you and answer that in video form for a minimum of 15 seconds. That's all you got to do. So you will scroll down, you click on start task, and you just record yourself. I'll kind of fast forward my response, but it got to be at least 15 seconds. Then once you're done, you can actually upload it. You can play it back if you want to check how you sound, but I just upload it, wait for it to finish uploading. And then from there, it'll take you right into the second question. So you do the same thing, just look at what the question is asking you. Make sure you answer that fully in your video response for at least 15 seconds. So I'm doing that here, making sure that, I'm fully heard, I can be clearly seen, all that kind of good stuff. Then again, upload it, wait for it to finish uploading. And then once it's doing that, it'll take you right into the next question. So, it's really that simple. Just answer the question in video form. I'll do one more, and then I'll show you the cash out process. So again, the question, click on start task, record myself for a minimum of 15 seconds. It is just that simple. It does not get any easier than that. All right. So that's 3 questions that I've done. Upload this one real quick. And again, it'll keep taking you to the next question until you're done. Then once you're done, you can go back to the home page. It'll show that you completed all of the questions. You'll basically have none left. But when it comes to cashing out, you need a minimum of $10. I have here $15 in my account. They pay you like within the next few hours. So they pay through PayPal. Like I said, minimum $10. And if you want to know if it's legit or not, it is. So I'm going to cash out and I'm going to show you my payment proof. It says it takes 72 hours, but it doesn't. Like I said, it takes them maybe, a couple hours from the time that you cash out. And here's my payment proof showing you that they did pay me my $15 right there in my PayPal account. So you see it is legit. They do pay. Sign up today. I'll leave the link to sign up in the description. Get started with it today. And always remember, every penny counts. If you're interested in making even more money, I highly encourage you guys to visit my website, pennies1000s.com. That way you can see all the free websites and apps that I use to make money. And if you want to make some real money, I'm talking about $150 every single day. I can teach you the very easy steps that anybody can do. All you have to do is book a session with the link below.